little chair sequence. So we're squeezing the legs together. If this doesn't feel stable to you, you can keep them a little bit apart, but if you can get them together. Let's inhale the arms up and sit back in our chair pose. So pulling in the belly, look down at the feet, see if you make sure you can see your big toes. Try not to arch the back. Inhale here, and we're just sweeping the arms back. Airplane arms. Inhale forward, lift the chest. Exhale, sweep the arms back. Good. 2 more. Inhale, reach them forward. Really stretch the arms, stretch the fingers. Exhale, back. Last time. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, reach forward. Come all the way up now, all the way up to standing. Squeeze the legs together. Exhale, hands down. Good. We're going to do that again and add on. Inhaling up. Exhale, sitting back into our chair. Inhale. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, forward. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, bring the hands together now in front of the heart. Inhale. Exhale, twisting left. Keeping the spine long. Keeping the knees pointing forward. Inhale. One more breath here. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Staying here for a breath. So long spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, center. Coming up again, reaching the arms all the way up. And exhale, back down. Beautiful. One more time. Adding on one more thing. Inhaling, arms up. Exhale, sitting back. Inhale. Airplane arms back. Inhale, center. Forward. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, bring them together now in front of the heart. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. One more time. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Coming all the way up now, reaching the arms up. Shift the weight to the left foot. Pick up the right foot, coming into standing staff. Find something to help you balance. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And we're going to slowly take that right leg back. Sweep the arms back. Airplane arms coming into warrior 3. So straight spine, coming down any amount. So slowly find your way to warrior 3. Right leg back. And then slowly bringing the right leg back together. And breathe. Beautiful. All right, one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sit back in your chair. Inhale. Exhale, sweep arms back. Airplane arms. Inhale, center, forward. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, this time twist right first. Twisting right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. And right. And center. And left. And center. Coming up, sweep the arms up, shift the weight to the right leg. Left foot comes off the floor. Standing staff, you can always stay here. Or you can sweep the arms back with the leg coming into warrior 3. Any variation you like, you can simply stay here. You don't have to go all the way parallel to the floor. Just keep the body in line with one straight line. Stay there for a breath so I can see you. Looking good. Slowly take your time. Bring everything back to the floor. Bring the hands together in front of the heart. Let's close the eyes. Take a breath. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe.